Now Vidya, we will discuss some factors which affects the liquidity and inflation. Do you remember what liquidity is?
Yes, ma'am. I know that liquidity is availability of cash or assets that can be easily converted into cash. It is often directly proportional to inflation, or increase in liquidity results in increased inflationary pressures.
So true, Vidya. Whenever RBI increases the repo rate, bank rate or MSF rate, the banks borrow lesser amount from the RBI because of the clients, or borrow lesser amount from the bank at increased rate of interest. This results in lesser availability of money supply in the market, or say lesser liquidity in the market. The reduced money supply or lesser liquidity may result in reduced prices and lower rates of inflation. We can therefore say that rates of interest like bank rate, repo rate, etc. are inversely proportional to the rate of inflation. Are you with me, Vidya?
Yes, I'm getting this.
Think of the effect of change in cash reserve ratio (CRR) on inflation. CRR is the ratio of total deposit (NDTL) of a bank, which it has to keep with RBI in cash form only. Thus, with increase in CRR, banks have to keep more cash with RBI. This reduces the availability of money with bank, or say liquidity, which in turn decreases the money available to people. This will result in lower inflation rate. Here also we can see that increase in CRR reduces liquidity and thus reduces inflation. Or we can also say that the CRR and inflation are inversely proportional. In fact, its vice versa is also true.
Okay, I understood this.
Well then, Vidya,